Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a beautiful example of a Jaguar F-PACE in stock. This one in particular is a HSE, so it's top specification, and it's a 2-litre diesel, so that's the D200 mild hybrid engine. Now, lots of nice specification on this car, starting off at the front, obviously the metallic, stunning Eiger Grey. We've got exterior black pack as standard with it being a HSE Black, so that gives you the black grille, black accents right around the car rather than the typical chrome surrounds. Things like surround sensors and 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Of course, they are upgraded from the standard diamond turned on HSE. Lots of nice black accents right around the car, so side vents on your mirror caps as well, which are also power folding mirrors. Blind spot monitoring also on them, which is really handy when you're going down the motorway. Things like keyless entry, privacy glass also on the vehicle, and of course coming out to the rear, standard on F-PACE is a power tailgate. So we've got a really good sized boot. We have got underneath here lots of storage space, 12-volt connections, and we've got cargo netting on the side as well. And one really nice feature of this vehicle is an electrically deployable tow bar. So that pops out up to 13 seconds it takes. We do also have a 13-pin connection on there if you are connecting your trailer, and you can do your trailer bulb checks from the cabin as well. And then we can just close that boot with a push of a button. Now, looking inside the vehicle, it's a full ebony leather. I don't even think the back of this one has ever been sat in because it's in absolutely excellent condition. You'll see the back of those sports seats as well, which has been upgraded from the standard HSE. Things like Meridian speakers in this car as well. Lots of nice luxurious elements. Music, they sound absolutely fantastic. Jumping inside, we've got electric seats. Now these are also memory for not only the driver but the passenger as well. So if you've got multiple people hopping in and out, really handy feature. Not only do the seats save with that memory, but also the electrically adjustable steering wheel. Now, full electric interactive driver's display, 11,204 miles at the time of recording. Lots of nice things like heat steering wheel, paddles on the back with a nice metal finish, auto lights, auto wipers. We've got a huge infotainment system, which is PV Pro. Now, navigation, phone connectivity, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see that we've got a rear view camera on the vehicle, as well as all your towing options when you do connect anything up. We've got things like heated windscreen, heated seats, cooled seats, heated rear screen, so lots of heated elements on this car. We've got wireless device charger, as well as the dual zone climate control. All your typical driver modes that you'd expect to be in your Jaguar, things like rain, ice, snow, eco, comfort and dynamic. Automatic gear stick, keyless start stop. And then we've got lots of storage space around the car, even more connectivity points in the storage between the two front seats as well. And if we're looking up ahead, not only do we have a glass roof, it is actually a sliding one. So I won't open it up all the way, but you can see that does open it up. Lets the light in, makes the car feel even more spacious. Just to give you a look at, again, these sport seats, these are upgraded from standard HSE and look absolutely fantastic. They do feel like you do hug you in, more secure for sure than the standard ones. D200 Dynamic HSE, finished off in Eiger Grey with an exterior black pack. If you've got any questions on this car, we encourage you to please inquire online or call us through this website. Thank you.